When the comrade leader said to them, and comrade Julian said to them last year, bringing minimum wage got $12,000 there for me. Them say it can't work. Or we fiscally irresponsible at that, them say, you know. Now when you come and say you announce a minimum wage gone at $13,000, it should have go more than that, because the $12,000 should have increased by what inflation be. So you're still not ready yet, Mr. Prime Minister.
Headlines making the evening news. Body of missing bearer found in gully. Security guard beaten in attempted robbery at Mandeville ATM. The body of a 26-year-old man who was reported missing last Saturday was found Tuesday morning in Mother White Gully of SpanishTown Road in the vicinity of Horizon Adult Remand Center in Kingston. He has been identified as Kemar Forbes, a bearer from Greenwich Farm address. According to the police sources, Forbes received multiple gunshot wounds to the head. It is suspected that Forbes was killed on SpanishTown Road and later dumped in the gully. The Kingston Western Police are now processing the scene. A security guard was beaten by gunmen during an attempted robbery at a National Commercial Bank automated teller machine at Bankhouse Mall in Mandeville on Tuesday morning. A police source confirmed that the incident happened about 2 a.m. The source said the guard who was on duty was physically assaulted and had to be taken to the hospital for treatment after the gunmen attacked him. The gunmen reportedly vandalized the ATM but were unsuccessful in removing cash from it. The Manchester police have increased their patrol close to ATMs and money couriers. We have heightened our presence where criminals might target, said the source. This follows Sunday's brazen attack in Portmore St. Catherine on beryllium couriers.